Hello everyone. This is the demand of every business nowadays that you should know the competitor analysis of your business. You should have an automation for this. You're doing it manually, spending a lot of time. So try this automation that I am going to show you on my screen that will be automatically analyzing your competitors through keywords and creating a doc and sending it to you. So here you go. This automation works through the API of different tools. Like the API is saved in this first module, that is a trigger that will be running on days of the week like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or whatever we will select. And then we are using HTTP method that will be using the URL of SERP API, and we are giving it the product niche. Like you could be a Shopify store, you could be a business, you have to give the product niche here. So product niche is saved in my first module, API is saved in my first module. I will not show that just for security purpose, but this automation is working in that way. So we are fetching the API from previous module and it will be giving us the results. And similarly, we are using Google APIs.com as well, and we are using Scrap Ninja as well. We are putting the data in OpenAI, and we did put the script like you are a company analyst of this company name. Company name is also saved in tools set variable. So we are asking like provide analysis for a company based on data provided. As we are getting the data through SERP API, Google APIs, and other tools, we are giving it to ChatGPT just for organized data. And we have next modules as well for ChatGPTs. We are summarizing the data in more organized way, and then at the end we are putting that whole data in a Google Doc to create a document, and then we will use Gmail module that will be sent a mail. So we will be sending the document as a mail to your Gmail account. So you can create this automation for you by yourself as well in make.com, or if you need, I can help you create this, and you will be constantly getting the competitor analysis on like every day. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. Thank you.